161 Division, 30 separation, 14 kilo whiskey, 605. Do you copy? South Poland.
Yeah, copy you, South Poland. Nice to meet you. Good evening. Thanks for coming back to the TQ call. The operator name will be Pat Alpha Tango. Papa Alpha Tango is the operator name. I could contact you.
Hello, Pat. My name is Lucas. Lucas, my name 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Rapport for you 5758. Back to you, Pat.
Yeah, okay. Roger, Roger. Thanks for the report. And you have a 59 report. 59 report without pre-applicator of reception. You're coming very strong. My antenna is heading to the west side. Aiming to the west side. It is a Skyper antenna. Skyper beam antenna, 3 elements at 8 meters above the ground. And I'm using at the moment the IC7300 with the original microphone used. It is raining at the moment. The temperature is quite enjoyable, around the 24 degrees Celsius back here.
Yes, your signal is very, very strong. 59, 59. 57 is one moment. 59 in stability signal. The Pat. Okay, my radio is President Washington 2024. Antenna is 5.8 Sigma Mantova Turbo. This is my antenna. Back to you, Pat.
Okay, thank you. 70 we see the vertical antenna running very well. I do copy you like a local station. Extremely good condition this evening, this late afternoon. I just came here. My home QTH is near Paris. But unfortunately I'm not on the radio anymore. It's on Paris, only from time to time. So I'm here in Spain, and we are here beginning just your old say for the next 2 weeks. And I really hope to be able to contact you again in the so good condition. Back to you.
30 separation 14 kilo whiskey 605. This is 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Pat, thank you very much from contact.
Thank you. It was a great pleasure to meet you on the band this evening, this late afternoon. And I really hope to be able to contact you the next days again in so good condition. Good coming evening. Best 73 for you and the family. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. 73.